Back the product zone. Today I'm going to do an unbox video just to show you guys this quick. This was my second one. I got one for myself and one for my son. This is basically a wireless keyboard, comes with a wireless mouse and the charger to charge it up really fast. It's a very comfortable, really nice design and quality overall. I am impressed for the price and the quality, and you have all the instruction in the manual, how to use it, how to set it up and stuff. It's very easy, simple stuff, very low. Come down right here, nice wide cap, very soft, easy to touch. You have all the logo and every single thing in a regular standard one, but except it's more comfortable and design. And the good thing about it, it doesn't really move that easy. A little gray into it, but it's a nice black, and you have every single thing right there. Like you could check the battery, it tells you the battery, the Wi-Fi, and the Bluetooth, and you have your nice scroll right here. You could just scroll through easily. Very lightweight. Charge within 3 hours only. Lightning fast charging. The mouse would last up to 150 hours of runtime, which is very long, while the keyboard would last about 300 hours. Outstanding. And the other thing what I'm going to show you, and I'm very impressed and I like, it's right here. You got a little clip and a little stand that you could go to 2 or 3 different level of however you want this height from it. So it sets to your hand and your wrist, so it avoid a lot of like injuries and problem later on. It's overall, and for the price, I have to tell you, they did a good job. Check in the description box for price and details and get your hand on the best budget keypad and wireless mouse for computer and Apple iPad and stuff.